What if I told you confidence is not something you're born with, it's something you build, like muscle? Right now, somewhere in the world, someone less talented than you is winning, getting the job, speaking on stage, starting the channel, approaching opportunities, only because they believe they can. And here's the shocking truth. Confidence is not about being perfect. It's about being willing. Willing to try. Willing to fail. Willing to be seen. In the next few minutes, I'm going to break the biggest myth about confidence, show you why most people destroy their own self-belief without realizing it, and give you practical steps you can start using today. If you stay till the end, you'll walk away with a mindset shift that can change how you see yourself forever. So don't skip. This might be the conversation your future confident self has been waiting for. Let's start with the biggest misunderstanding. Most people think confidence comes after success. Once I lose weight, I'll be confident. Once I speak fluent English, I'll be confident. Once I get more followers, I'll be confident. But it actually works the opposite way. Confidence comes first. Success follows. When you act with belief, even before results show up, you create momentum. And momentum builds proof. And proof builds stronger confidence. It's a cycle, but you must start it. Here's something powerful. Confidence is not loud. It's not arrogance. It's not showing off. True confidence is quiet certainty. It's walking into a room and not needing everyone to approve of you. It's posting that video even if only 10 people watch it. It's speaking even if your voice shakes. Confidence isn't the absence of fear. It's action despite fear. Now, let's get practical. The first way to build confidence is through small promises. Every time you say you'll wake up at 6 and you don't, your brain records it. Every time you say you'll practice for 20 minutes and you skip it, your brain records it. Slowly, you stop trusting yourself. And when you don't trust yourself, confidence disappears. So start tiny. Make small promises and keep them. Read 2 pages.
Do 10 push-ups.
Practice 5 new words. Keep the promise. When your brain sees evidence that you follow through, self-trust grows. And self-trust is the foundation of confidence. Second, change your self-talk. Imagine if someone followed you all day repeating your thoughts out loud. Would they sound supportive or destructive? Most people say things to themselves they would never say to a friend. I'm not good enough. I always mess up. I'm awkward. Every repeated thought becomes a belief. And every belief shapes your behavior. Instead of saying, I can't do this, say, I'm learning to do this. Instead of, I'm bad at speaking, say, I'm improving my speaking every day. It sounds simple, but words create identity. And identity controls confidence. Third, build competence. Let's be honest, sometimes we lack confidence because we lack skill. And that's okay. The solution is not pretending. The solution is practice. If you want confidence in speaking, speak daily. Record yourself. Watch it. Improve one thing. If you want confidence in fitness, train consistently. If you want confidence in business, learn and apply. Competence creates natural confidence. The more prepared you are, the less you fear. Now here's something most people ignore. Your body affects your mind. Stand straight. Shoulders back. Chin up. Slow breathing. Eye contact. Even if you don't feel confident, act confident physically. Your brain follows your posture. Science shows that physical state influences emotional state. When you move like a confident person, you begin to feel like one. Another powerful method is facing discomfort daily. Confidence grows outside your comfort zone. Every time you avoid something scary, your fear grows. Every time you face it, your fear shrinks. Start small. Say hello first. Ask one question in class. Upload that video. Share your opinion respectfully. Each uncomfortable action expands your identity. You start seeing yourself as brave. Let's talk about comparison. Social media has made comparison a daily habit. You scroll and see people richer, fitter, smarter, more fluent, more successful. But remember, confidence dies when you compare your beginning to someone else's middle. Instead of comparing, use others as inspiration. Ask, what can I learn? Not, why am I not like them? The only real competition is who you were yesterday. And here's a truth that might sting. Some people won't like you, no matter what you do. If you're quiet, they say you're boring. If you're loud, they say you're arrogant. If you try, they judge. If you don't try, they judge. So build confidence knowing approval is not required for growth. Your job is not to impress everyone. Your job is to improve yourself. Failure is another major confidence killer, but only if you misunderstand it. Failure is data, not identity. If a video doesn't perform, it's feedback. If you stumble while speaking, it's experience. If you lose, it's training. The most confident people are not those who never fail. They are those who fail and keep going. Every successful person you admire has embarrassed themselves, doubted themselves, and struggled. The difference? They didn't stop. Let's go deeper. Confidence also grows when you take responsibility. Blaming circumstances, blaming people, blaming luck keeps you powerless. When you say, "What can I do better?" you regain control. Responsibility is empowering. It turns victims into leaders. Environment matters too. If you constantly surround yourself with negative voices, your belief weakens. Spend time with people who encourage growth. Watch content that uplifts you. Read books that challenge you. Your mind absorbs what you feed it. Now imagine this. 1 year from now, you consistently kept small promises, practiced daily, improved your self-talk, faced discomfort, stopped comparing, and took responsibility. Do you think your confidence would be different? Absolutely. Because confidence is compound interest. Tiny daily deposits create massive change over time. Here's a simple daily formula. Do one thing that improves you. Do one thing that scares you. Say one thing kind to yourself. Repeat. That's it. Consistency beats intensity. And let's address something important. You don't need to feel confident to start. You need to start to feel confident. Action creates emotion, not the other way around. So if this message is hitting you right now, pause and ask yourself, where have I been waiting? What opportunity have I been delaying because I don't feel ready? Confidence grows through movement, not waiting. Imagine walking into your next opportunity with calm energy, speaking clearly, looking people in the eye, believing you belong. That version of you is not far. It's built decision by decision. If you're still watching, that means you care about growth. And that already separates you from the average. Most people consume motivation and forget it in 5 minutes. Don't be most people. Take one idea from this and apply it today.
Right now.
Comment below, what is one action you will take today to build your confidence? Saying it publicly makes it stronger. If this gave you value, hit like so more people struggling with self-doubt can see this. Subscribe for more practical growth strategies that actually work. And remember, confidence isn't magic. It's practice. It's repetition. It's courage in small doses every single day.